Welcome everybody to our annual Lighthouse event, the Digital Retail Innovation Summit.
The dynamic and what we need to be has now fundamentally changed, and we have to embrace it, and we are embracing it.
We have a very agile governance where we are able every 2 weeks to shift the whole organization roadmap and resources to new things if needed.
We are convenience. Convenience is something between the brick and mortar business as well as the online. The customers have a new needs, new habits.
Supply chain companies have to really not just be transport companies anymore. They really have to expand into the value chain.
We're looking at how different categories in the future come together in different spaces, how we're leveraging the supercomputers we all have in our pocket.
So Frog is by origin actually a renowned brand in the design space to really revolutionize the time of really more functional oriented design and products to a very emotional design.
So these are examples of how we use our capabilities around analytics, technology, data to answer the core challenges of our retail clients.